Hey guys, this is gonna be Revive of the WRX Part 2. I even know I didn't put them into parts, but in this video we're gonna be installing Ava's suspension. I'm gonna already open the box. I've had these for about a couple months now. Just been waiting to put it on the car. Now that she's dynoed, if you haven't seen that video, it's up here. But gonna get to unboxing, showing you guys what comes in the box. I ordered these specifically custom, so it'll be fun. Nick's coming, the other Nick's coming, and I think Gabe might be coming. So we're gonna have a little chill time at the house. And yeah, so let's get right to the unboxing, and then after that we'll install it. Greeted with a ownership service information, what comes with the kit. So the 2 fronts, 2 rears, and the spanner wrenches. Yeah, I didn't need to know that. So I guess let's get right to it. Show you the rears first. This is the Neomax Silvers, or Silvers Neomax suspension. I custom ordered 18K spring rates in the rear, along with 20K spring rates for the fronts. It's 24 way adjustable dampening. Comes with new hardware. Honestly, pretty solid. I like the way that the top ring is compared to the other coilovers. It's pretty mint. This is maxed out right now, as you guys can see, which means it'll be pretty low, but that's the rear. Here's one of the fronts that's probably gonna be too heavy for me to pick up by one hand. I was messing around with it. I already set all the preloads, but I will double check once it's on the car. It's got a camber plate that goes up to, I believe, -3 degrees of camber, which I will be swapping out for the Broadway statics eventually to get another 4 or 5 degrees more of camber. So that's about it when you unbox coilovers. If you haven't unboxed coilovers before, then this is new to you, but this is my second or third time doing coilovers on this car. This is the second time on this car. Previously I had BC Racing. Got those for a killer deal. Like, I'm not gonna lie with you guys that I got it for a killer deal. But yeah, so I guess the next step is to jack the car up, get the whole suspension out. So all 4 of the wheels are off. We're just gonna get right into it. So if you haven't seen a WRX coilover installed before, for at least the 15, I'm pretty sure they're the same for all Subarus. So this right here is the ABS wire. What you want to do is there's 2 tabs, top and bottom, squeeze, and it'll pull right out. That's I believe a 12 mil. Don't quote me on that, but then that would just drop. You pull that down and you'll be able to free these up. They're both 19 mil ends, so 2 19 mil nuts and then 2 19 mil bolts. The top one, you're gonna want to be careful and not mess it up, because that's the camber bolt. And then you're gonna have, I believe these are also 14 mils, if I'm not mistaken, 12 or 14, and that'll be it for the front. So I'm gonna take the fronts out and just drop them in, because there's plenty of coilover installs out there. Yeah, so I'll put the front ones in for you guys, let you guys see what it looks like, and then hop over to the rears. First, strut is out. Didn't take me that long, honestly. So it is doable by yourself. Just need another jack.
Don't get to that in the video though.
Hi. So they know who you are.
Still.
So fronts are done. Just got the rears out. You know, it would help if Gabe would help.
I'm not soon to be
It's whatever. It still didn't take me that long to get it up by myself. So, rears are up. Gonna put them in. And then my alignment's off right now, so I'll see if I can somehow crack the tie rod loose and do my own alignment, because from here, if you could tell, it's a little bit of toe in on this side and a little bit of toe in on this side. And the wheel is completely straight, so we'll see. Update. My impact ran out of battery, so and I'm lazy to do it by hand, so I'm just gonna sit here for like another 30 minutes till my impact dries. I mean, till my impact charges, but fronts are in, rears are in. All that's left is to do is to double check the preload on all four, adjust the height, and adjust the camber in the front, and like I said, probably try to touch the toe. Other than that, we're almost done. It's gonna be, I don't know how long the video is gonna be, so just bear with me. Nick's coming. I got a surprise for you guys there. Yucko's coming with a surprise. Gabe's been here, but should go get me a coffee.
A long one was traffic.
But yeah, I'll update you guys whatever comes first. Boy, back up a little bit. When you have no turning radius?
I know how to fix this problem right now.
It's hitting the frame part that hangs down.
Alright,
My license is
so
What'd you do?
no, dude.
explain to them what you did.
So I added more camber to help me turn more, and I got a little bit out of it, but it also made me like an inch lower, which is kind of fucked. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's already slammed.
Yucko's buying the 2 tires I have in the basement off of me.
Yeah, facts. I'll run them. I'll put them on like this weekend. Oh, my control arm's coming this weekend.
Hey, you didn't text me back.
Ooh, coilovers.
I was in the garage struggling, bro.
Coilovers.
Can you put them on yet?
Yeah, they're on, but my impact died, so I gotta wait for the battery to charge and finish. And
You see what I sent you?
Bro,
Ordered my arms too.
did you?
why'd you guys order arms when we already have arms?
No, my arms come in
I need
Sunday.
lower arms. These are upper arms. I need lower
-6.
arms.
I'm gonna have negative. No, I have 4 in the rear, so I'm gonna have -7 in the rear. This
Dude, you
weekend,
clapped. You need fenders.
hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna get finished this weekend too. I'm going all
But
up.
you get
And then
lower
once my
LCAs.
wheels come in, what's up?
Yeah, LCAs.
We got a meeting.
I'm saying you get lower up.
You can't. He doesn't have a lower and upper in the rear.
I have just a lower. I just have.
No, it's a middle. It's a middle.
Yeah, it's a camber on.
Oh,
It's strictly.
It's just like the Mazda. But yeah, so he's gonna figure out what the hell. What are you rubbing on? You said you know what you're rubbing on.
You can see
I
it.
know what he's rubbing on.
See how the frame comes out?
Yeah.
I have to fucking figure out how to hammer that away.
That's your frame.
Yeah, it's my frame.
The Lexus, every time I hit a bump, it goes.
I have to find my sledgehammer. I don't fucking fuck that shit up.
Yeah, but you don't hammer that.
Yeah.
You straight Dremel that.
Do you have it?
No, my Dremel's in Zabrino's car.
Where she goes?
Roller Kingdom. All right, whatever. We'll figure it out. We'll see. We'll get Nick's input when Nick gets here.
She's coming?
Yeah, after the gym.
International.
We need a Dremel. That's what we need. With some metal blades.
Bro.
And we can take care of this shit, no problem.
Your house.
I'm not driving this thing back until it's fixed. My tire's gonna be flat by the time I get there. It's just literally.
Hold on.
Look how chipped my. These tires were brand new. Brand new. Now look at this. Nothing.
Yeah, go take your tires off a.
Static, bro.
Dude, Johnny saved my ass with the toenail.
He rubbed his toenail on the curb.
Dude, I literally.
But yeah, I'll update you guys later. I'm almost done. He fucked up.
He yuckoed.
Yuckoed. That's the new thing. He's sad. Look.
Brooks made an appearance on the.
Brosep's first appearance on the vlog. Hey, so what's up? Show them what. secret.
Follow.
Oh, we follow. I wonder what it is, honestly.
Ta-da!
Oh, shit. There's two?
Spider-Man meme.
So, give him a rundown. What year?
She's stock, you know, she's 26.
Hold on, stock? He said stock.
She's stock.
He capped.
I didn't cap them. But yeah, she's just the 2016 bullshit Subaru.
Don't look under the hood. It's fucking built.
Homemade.
It is a 16.
Oh, he said 15.
16.
Oh, he said 15.
But grab that today when I went
change
up to
whenever
Dynasty.
if this ever leaves.
It better leave. It can't stay in the driveway.
Yeah, fix
Cause
that today.
it goes me, it goes Sabrina, and then it goes my dad. We yuckified it. He yuckified it.
Yuckified.
Ooh, we're inside a Subi. We're inside Subi. Yo, is this a WRX?
No, it's an Impreza.
That's cap.
Yeah.
It's a sty.
I thought it was an Evo.
See, style.
Honestly.
Sty right here.
Oh, fake style. I got that from the junkyard. The
What?
volunteer I got from the junkyard.
What? Yo, this shit mad nice. You can't see, but like, this shit mad nice, bro. Don't mind the mess, bro. I fucking live in here.
I live here.
But like,
Hey, that's my bed.
sweet. What? This your bed?
Yeah, I sleep there.
Yo, my fault. Oh, would never been able to get upstairs.